Hi there, my name's Dan from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new Audi.
Here we have this eye-catching example of an A3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI, which is featured in the Python yellow metallic paintwork. Under the bonnet you'll find a 1.5 litre petrol engine producing 150 PS, delivered via a 6-speed manual gearbox, achieving up to 46.3 miles per gallon. It comes styled with a 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid style alloy wheels. And moving to the front of the vehicle, you've got the LED headlights with built-in daytime running lights, and it also features the black exterior styling pack, which does include the black mirror housing, black window surrounds and black roof bars, giving it a nice premium look. It has a capacity of 380 litres towards the boot, which is plenty of storage for any day-to-day tasks such as carrying shopping. Moving to the interior, it comes finished in the full twin leather, which is very comfortable to sit on for your rear passengers, and it also features ISOFIX anchor points. At the front you've got your flat bottom leather wrapped steering wheel with a very driver focused interior and the silver inlays adding to a nice uplifting feel. The front seats are a sport style with the S embossed logo to the top, and these seats offer plenty of comfort, support and adjustment for any length of journey. Controls are mounted on the steering wheel, and these help you navigate through the Audi virtual cockpit, giving you access to a variety of menus such as driver information, media inputs, telephone connectivity as well as satellite navigation, all within peripheral vision. To the centre you've got your Audi MMI system where you can access further applications, and for driver convenience there are shortcuts on the right hand side, which does include satellite navigation for those unfamiliar journeys that you may venture out on, providing you with a higher definition display of the route ahead. You can also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and I'll leave a link to the top right hand corner of the screen to show you how you can set this up. You've also got access to the Audi Drive Select, which lets you choose your preferred driving profile, and this can be refined further with the individual setting for a true customised experience. Further down you've got the dual zone climate control for driver and passenger, letting you set a nice ambient temperature and airflow throughout the vehicle. There are some nice convenience features such as the 2 USB-C inputs for charging devices on the go. There's some drinks holders located to the centre, making it very quick and easy to access, and for those longer journeys you've got the central adjustable armrest.
This vehicle comes with minimum of 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For any more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us now on 01228 371 516 or inquire online. Thank you for watching this video.